Hey. Good morning. Eid Mubarak. عليكم السلام. We're going inshallah for Salatul Eid. The kids are ready. The kids are ready. Eid Mubarak. Talking.
And this girl, I tell you, throw from the time she wake up.
I'm wearing like Lejeune the same outfit, and Noah and Daddy. Oh, Assalamu alaikum. I love your outfit, guys. Wow.
Mommy.
Oh, so cute.
Mommy.
Yes.
When it was night, we went to Auntie's house.
Yeah, we went to Auntie's house. Okay, now we're going to the masjid. We're going to pray in Masjid Umar Ali Saifuddin. It is one of the country's 2 national mosques, and it is one of the largest and the oldest mosque in Brunei. So we just finished our Eid prayer, but the one here, they do the khutbah after the prayer. So that's when you pray, they do the takbirat al-Eid. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, walillahi alhamd. Then they start praying. They did the 7 takbirat in the first rak'at and 5 takbirat in the second rak'at. When they finish, then they give the khutbah, and they give it in Malay, like in the local language, but it's beautiful. Like, mashallah, people praying. Allahumma ameen ya Rabbi. What did you got? What is this? Show me your money. We are out for
Eid.
For Eid, but what's they call it? Open house. We're gonna start with our first open house now. We're heading to, and we'll see what the
Jalan Kota Batu is stretching all the way past the Kampung Air, water village on the right. And we're going to one of my friend's brother-in-law's place. We went there a few nights ago, 2 nights ago for
Tarawih prayer.
So it's the first stop, and then I'll follow my friend to his
place.
house.
Friend's house. Oh, people, they are selling drinks and stuff. Is it to Kubur? This is cemetery. Yeah, cemetery. Subhanallah, people during the Eid, they come to the Kubur, like anyone have a parent passed away or family member passed away, so they come and read the Surah Al-Fatiha and dua to them. Inshallah, may Allah reward them all. Jannatul Firdaus al-A'la, inshallah, and us and you, of course. That's the new bridge. We in 2018 it was under construction.
No, it was just finishing off or close to finish.
Close to finish because it wasn't open that time.
He's telling me.
That's the new bridge. That's so good. Inshallah, we
will drive over the bridge.
Drive over the bridge, inshallah.
Take another video when we're on the bridge.
Lujain is sleeping. Noah is there.
Because Lujan slept very late last night.
Yeah.
So did his daddy, but his daddy has to push, otherwise nobody goes anywhere.
Yeah. Be careful. So we just arrived to our first stop. Look at the water there. They have half house under the water, over the water, sorry, and half house on the land. Yes, of course, yeah. Yeah. Yes. It's the water. Yeah.
So,
Oh, so beautiful.
So sometimes
MashaAllah. Yes.
could be at here.
Yeah, you need to. This is Ridwan and his son and his two brother-in-law. He is a good friend of my husband and he helps us a lot. So inside the house there is a display of different cookie, different Malay cakes, which is really delicious. If you are here in Brunei or in Malaysia, try this lapis, they call it lapis, and different cookies. They are so delicious. And here there is a station of a buffet or open food. There is a steamed rice and rendang, chicken curry, pineapple curry, some fruit, and there is drinks, cold and hot drinks, and of course there is a filtered water. This beautiful display of the family picture during different occasion. Finished the first open house and now we are heading to the second one with the kids. These are like I feel I'm full. What about you?
I'm okay. I've already been full from last 3 days. Even fasting.
There is yeah, there is lots of food and different kind of cookies, sweets. So let's see what the next house offering.
That's the
On the
food.
way.
There's also the atmosphere. It's also
Yeah, the atmosphere.
yes,
that's
Baba,
right.
yes, Lujan.
It's really good when you see everyone gathering together. Look at this family, like mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. They are going to one house visit. So I said that atmosphere is really we are missing in Australia. That gathering.
Even right now we're convoying with 2 cars. We had 2 customers.
Yeah, to the second
My
house.
friend's Ridwan's father's place.
And it's really hot. Hot.
And it's a must visit family and friends. If you are not able to visit family, it looks as a, I would say, more or less like an insult. So
Oh.
you have to visit, even if you just show your face.
Yeah.
So you need to
And this
in
is
there.
say happy Hari Raya.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak, Hari Raya. Eid al-Fitri.
Hari Raya is like the main special, the big day. Raya.
So this is our second open house we went to, and this is Andrew's or Ridwan's father's house, which his wife showing me the Brunei chendol jelly with I believe that is soya milk, and of course it's sweet soya milk, and they call it chendol. Different. This is my dish, which I collect like pieces of food. This is shrimp. And next to it there is lungs, which is like a really popular here in Brunei and Malaysia. This is chicken curry, chicken luncheon fried one, and chicken sausage, I believe, or beef sausage. It's so tasty, these sausages. And there is some noodle and bean sprout, fried chicken, steam rice in banana leaves. It's so much food. They display every house. This is normal steam fried, but the atmosphere, we don't have all these things in Australia. That's what we are missing. Every single Eid we pass in Australia, that connectedness between the family, that happiness, that laughter. They make a simple joke, everyone laugh, everyone happy. MashaAllah, subhanallah, it's really a blessing time we are spending with them. And this is also learning for my children how the Eid looks like in different countries, and especially in Muslim countries. So this is the Ridwan's family, his daughters and son and the wife, and listen to this.
Okay, video. Mas, 1, 2, 3.
So the day of the Eid, we went to 4 open house with our friend, but I couldn't record everything because from me, I respect other people. When I see them, they are really religious. I don't want to show them in the cameras and stuff. When it's okay, I record everything, share it with you and your family. So may Allah accept all your prayers, siyam, qiyam, and grant you forgiveness on this blessed day. Eid Mubarak from Brunei.